Want to speak English confidently? Speak. Learn, practice, improve. Speak English confidently every day. Let's speak English together.
I bought a phone. Nice. I bought a laptop. Sweet. I bought a tablet. Cool. I bought a camera. Great. I bought headphones. Nice. I bought a smartwatch. Cool. I bought a speaker. Nice. I bought a keyboard. Good. I bought a mouse. Nice. I bought a printer. Great. I bought a television. Big. I bought a radio. Nice. I bought a microphone. Cool. I bought a charger. Good. I bought a power bank. Small. I bought a router. Nice. I bought a projector. Great. I bought a monitor. Nice. I bought a hard drive. Small. I bought a webcam. Cool. I bought a flash drive. Small. I bought earbuds. Nice. I bought a calculator. Good. I bought a drone. Cool. I bought a game console. Great. I bought a remote control. Small. I bought a fan. Nice. I bought a hairdryer. Good. I bought an iron. Nice. I bought a blender. Cool. I bought a toaster. Nice. I bought a microwave. Great. I bought a refrigerator. Big. I bought a washing machine. Big. I bought a vacuum cleaner. Good. I bought an air conditioner. Cool. I bought a heater. Nice. I bought a lamp. Small. I bought a clock. Nice. I bought an alarm clock. Good. I bought a smartphone case. Nice. I bought a screen protector. Good. I bought a laptop bag. Nice. I bought a USB cable. Small. I bought an adapter. Small. I bought a joystick. Cool. I bought a printer cartridge. Good. I bought a scanner. Nice. I bought a photocopier. Big. I bought a landline phone. Nice. I bought a walkie-talkie. Cool. I bought a video camera. Nice. I bought a tripod. Good. I bought a ring light. Nice. I bought a graphic card. Cool. I bought a motherboard. Good. I bought a processor. Small. I bought a memory card. Small. I bought a battery. Small. I bought a solar charger. Nice. I bought a smart bulb. Cool. I bought a smart plug. Nice. I bought a doorbell camera. Good. I bought a security camera. Nice. I bought a smart lock. Cool. I bought a thermostat. Good. I bought a coffee maker. Nice. I bought an electric kettle. Good. I bought a rice cooker. Nice. I bought an air fryer. Great. I bought a dishwasher. Big. I bought a juicer. Nice. I bought a food processor. Good. I bought a hair straightener. Nice. I bought an electric shaver. Cool. I bought a smart TV. Big. I bought a soundbar. Nice. I bought a Bluetooth speaker. Cool. I bought a gaming chair. Great. I bought a gaming mouse. Cool. I bought a gaming keyboard. Nice. I bought a headset. Good. I bought a printer paper. Small. I bought a laptop stand. Nice. I bought a phone stand. Small. I bought a wireless charger. Cool. I bought an extension cord. Good. I bought a surge protector. Nice. I bought a car charger. Small. I bought a portable fan. Cool. I bought a night lamp. Nice. I bought a humidifier. Good. I bought an air purifier. Nice. I bought a smartwatch charger. Small. I bought a Bluetooth adapter. Small. I bought a digital clock. Nice. I bought a label printer. Good. I bought a smart speaker. Cool. I bought a virtual reality headset. Cool. I bought an electric toothbrush. Nice.